men done this, men done that. In fact, a whole lot of them. As if the male child was created heartless. Now, every man out there who was taught to be insensitive at a very tender age, these words are for you. This is the making of monsters by women. A lot of men are not okay. And the saddest part, they don't even know it. A lot of men are not okay. And the saddest part, they don't even know it. Raised in a world where softness is sin, where man have been shut up and silence is teaching to the seats of their souls. Be strong, don't cry. Real men don't break, they build. Even if what they are building is a wall so high, no one can see their heads. Society told them, your tears are weakness, your pain is shame. So they locked it in, deep and deeper still, until the only language they knew was rage. And in the name of strength, we buried their emotions alive, watered their wounds with expectations, and poured it manhood. Now we ask, why are so many men angry? Why are so many men cold? Why do they run from love, from therapy, from themselves? But how can a man heal when he was never taught he was hurting? How can a man heal when numbness was crowned his crown? We build them to be still, unbending, unfeeling, unshaking, but still rust, and when it does, it cuts. So here we are, bleeding from the blades of the very monsters we made. Thank you.
Thank you very much.